Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of TV wall mounts, and I've got something truly special to share with you. Introducing the Forging Mount Long-Arm TV Mount. This isn't just any ordinary TV wall mount, folks. It's the best of the best, offering a whopping 90-degree swivel capability that'll revolutionize the way you watch television. Now, let me break down why this TV mount is a game changer. First off, it's all about that flexibility. With a 43-inch extension articulating arm, you can position your TV at any angle imaginable, giving you the ultimate viewing experience from anywhere in the room. Whether you're watching TV in the living room, cooking in the kitchen, or even working out in the garage, this mount has got you covered. Plus, with its full motion capabilities, you can easily tilt, rotate, and swivel your TV for the perfect viewing angle every time. But wait, there's more. This mount is not only incredibly versatile but also incredibly durable. Made with heavy-duty carbon steel construction and passed rigorous safety tests, you can trust that your TV will be securely held in place, weighing up to 100 pounds. And here's the best part: installation is a breeze. With preset drill hole templates and a variety of screws included, you'll have your TV mounted in no time. Plus, it's compatible with both wood stud and concrete walls, so you can rest assured knowing it'll work for your setup. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the Forging Mount Long-Arm TV Mount, praising its quality, ease of installation, and overall performance. It's no wonder it's a top choice for so many households. So there you have it, folks, the best TV wall mount with 90-degree swivel capability on the market today. If you're ready to take your TV viewing experience to the next level, look no further than the Forging Mount Long-Arm TV Mount. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on all the products you love. Until next time, happy mounting!